Let's go to the seed shop. Oh, rats. Everything's out of stock. See, cane sugar apple. Let's get bamboo and coconuts. Perfect. Now let's put them in my bag so I can bring them out to my garden. Let's go back to the garden. Now we have to get them out and go to plant them. All right, they're out. Now let's plant the coconut over here. Perfect. Now let's put the bamboo right here. Perfect. Got on my brother.
Let's go to the seed shop. Darn it, there's nothing good. Let's just buy some coconut seeds. Got it. And bamboo. Got it. Okay, time to put these in my backpack. And let's get to my garden now. All right. First, we are planting the coconut seed. Now, you're going to plant the bamboo. Yay! Cool.
To the next video to see the seeds grow.